Hi, you are watching Learn English Easily channel. I'm back with new topic, structure of simple past tense. Before we are going to topic, please don't forget to subscribe, share and click the bell icon given below. Let us learn. Today we are going to learn the structure for negative form, affirmative form, interrogative form and negative interrogative form of past tense. So in past tense, we are going to use V2 form of the verb. What is V2? So V2 is nothing but the past form of the present verb. So I have highlighted only the past verb in this slide. Let us learn what is the past form of the given present verbs. Right, its past form is wrote, come, came, eat, ate, spent, spent, travel, traveled. So we are going in past tense, we have to use only the past form of the verb. Before we are learning the sentence structure for all the form of a sentence, we are going to learn or just recall definition of past tense. What is past tense? It used to talk about the completed action. The action may be completed in recent past or in distant past, but it is going to discuss only about the completed action. We all know that. I just recalled it again. What is the structure of affirmative sentence? Affirmative is nothing but the past sentence. In the sentence, if the sentence without the negative word not is called as affirmative sentence. We are going to use the same sentence structure for both singular and plural subject. So either we have a singular or plural subject, we are going to use only the past form of the verb. But in simple present tense, the verb change its number as per the number of the subject. But in past tense, we are going to use only the V2 form of the verb. Either we have a singular or plural subject. So I just highlighted the singular subject with red color and plural subjects with I just bolded with black. So for both singular and plural subject, we are using only the V2 form of the verb. I just highlighted with blue color, past tense with blue color. He shifted to Chennai. The bird flew away. The ball rolled down the stairs. They shifted to Chennai. The boys gave the correct answer. So look at the subject. We have the first three sentences have singular subject, but it too has the past form of the verb. And look at the last two examples, they and the boys. It is plural, it too takes the V2 form of the verb. So in past tense, if we have either the singular or plural subject, we are going to use only V2 form of the verb. That means past form of the verb. So once again, I am recalling the structure of simple past tense for affirmative sentence. Subject, it will be followed by the past form of the verb and object or extension of that sentence. Next, we are going to learn about the negative sentence structure of past tense. So in negative sentence structure means we are going to add the negative word not. So we learned that in last slide we learned shifted is a past tense of the verb. If there is no helping verb in the sentence, we are just going to remove the helping verb did from the verb. So did plus shift is equal to shifted. So it is the full form of shifted. So we are just going to remove the helping verb did from the main verb. So it became did plus shift. So with the helping verb did, we are going to add the negative word not. So we can use contracted form of did not also. Let us learn the example. He didn't shift to Chennai. So in last slide we have the verb shifted. So I just removed the did from the main verb and added not with it. And after the verb which is following after the helping verb or not, we are going to write only V1 form of the verb. If it is negative, because we already removed past verb did out of the verb. If we have a did in the sentence, it also comes under past tense. The ball didn't roll down the stairs. The boys didn't give the correct answer. We didn't hurt him. I didn't play hide and seek. So for all kind of subject in past tense, we are going to use only the helping verb did. If it is negative sentence, we are going to use didn't or did not. This is the sentence structure of negative sentence in past tense. Subject, it will be followed by did not or didn't plus V1 form of the verb. So in negative sentence, the verb which is following after the negative word or the helping verb, we have to use only the V1 form of the verb. Next, we are going to learn about interrogative structure. What is interrogative? We all know that interrogative means it asks question. So like that, we are just going to replace the helping verb in front of the subject. We learned how we have to convert the given positive sentence into negative. We all know that. So once we framed that negative sentence, it is easy for us to frame interrogative sentence structure. So in that, take an example of negative sentence. I didn't shift to Chennai. Take that as an example. So in order to convert that into interrogative, we have to remove the negative word from the sentence and replace the helping verb did in front of the subject. The same thing we applied here. Let us learn. The first we are going to learn the structure of interrogative sentence. So did, it is a helping verb. That means we are using the helping verb did in simple past tense. It followed by the subject and then the V1 form of the verb and extension of the sentence, and the sentence ends with question mark. So I just replaced did in front of all the subjects. Let us learn. Did he shift to Chennai? It ends with question mark. So we just replaced did in front of the subject and we removed a not, negative word. Did the boys give correct answer? Did the ball roll down the stairs? Did you play hide and seek? So this is the form how we have to convert the given sentence into interrogative. You have to keep in mind, in affirmative sentence for past tense, you have to write only the first of the given verb. And then in negative, we are just pulling the helping verb from the main verb and we are going to add not along with the helping verb. It is too easy to frame interrogative. We are just replacing the helping verb in front of the subject and we are removing the negative word not. This is the structure of interrogative sentence. Next, we are going to learn negative interrogative. It is too easy. It is same as interrogative sentence. We are just going to write the same structure what we have seen in interrogative. Did plus subject. But subject follows by the negative word not after the verb. That means before the verb, but between the subject and verb, in interrogative negative sentence, we are going to use a negative word not. Let us see the example. Did he not shift to Chennai? It is asking why he is still here. Why didn't he shifted? So in that manner, it is asking the question. Did the boys not give correct answer? Did the ball roll down the stairs? Did you not play hide and seek? So it is asking question to you why you are not doing that thing. So once we framed negative sentence, it is too easy to convert a given sentence into interrogative and negative interrogative. We are just replacing the helping verb in front of the subject to convert a negative sentence into interrogative. A negative interrogative, we are just simply, take the example of negative sentence, we are just simply replacing did in front of the subject and we have to write the not between subject and verb. That's it. It is too easy to learn a tense. If once you are aware of the sentence structure, it is too easy for us. Let us learn how to conjugate the given sentence. So I just divided into two by using a singular subject and by using the plural subject. We all know. In the last few slides, we learned that a sentence structure is same for affirmative, negative and interrogative sentence in past tense. So once again, I am recalling by giving a table. Conjugation. Conjugating is nothing but conversion. So while we are at the 10th or 12th, there is a question how to convert the given sentence into that. So this is called as conjugation. So I just highlighted given the structure with example. So subject plus V2 means past form of the verb and object. See the example, she played piano. So the verb is a played. We all know that. So how will you convert into negative? We are pulling the did from the verb played. So did and verb become play. And we are adding not with the helping verb. She did play piano. And next, how will we convert into interrogative? By removing the negative word from the sentence, we are replacing did in front of the subject. Did she play piano? The same rule is applying for plural subject also. Here it is an exercise. I just given the past form of the present verb. Just learn. He dash go to school. What is the past form of go? Went. They dash be players. So be represent the be verbs. What are be verbs? Am, is, are, was and were. These five are the be verbs. So look at the subject. If we have the word be, we have to use be form verb. So at that time, we have to look at the number of the subject. If the subject is plural in number, you, we, they, we have to use the be verb was in past tense. If we have I, he, she, it, we have to use the helping verb was. And third one, Annie dash work hard in the farm. What is the past form of work? Worked. I dash practice tennis regularly. What is the past form of practice? Practiced. If it is a regularly, it comes under present verb. We know that. So regularly it speaks about the past tense. The child cried for milk. What is the past form of cry? Cried. My father read newspaper yesterday. What is the past form of read? Read, but same spelling as read. He dash published her book last week. What is the past form of publish? Published. Here, Rani and Vinny. So we have plural subject. Dash meet with an accident last month. What is the past form of meet? Met. So only while you are using the be verb, we have to use as per the number of the subject. If it is a main verb, we are going to use only the past form of the verb for all singular and plural subjects. Here I have given few sentences to practice you to convert this sentence into affirmative form, negative form, interrogative form and negative interrogative form. Try it, and if you have any doubt, just ask me through comment. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.